This is the Hello World podcast. What I wanted to ask is how much content would you have, and when would you say I'll stop searching for content because I already have what I need? When do you say I need to search more, and when do you say I need to stop searching?
Okay.
Would you have a handle on that or a rule on that one?
Uh, well, I have, yeah, I have I would say a guideline. Otherwise, I'd be searching forever. Even
Mm-hmm.
with learning a new online tool. Um, for instance, if I'm trying to put together content for one topic or to answer one question, I would say, of course, Google is very handy. I
Mm-hmm.
would get, I would focus on the first three, on the top three search results.
Okay.
Well, you know how intelligent Google is now. If you use the
Mm-hmm.
right keywords to search, you'd get very useful answers. So I
Mm-hmm.
guess it's the key is to know what to ask. Anyway,
Okay.
um, I'd focus on the top three search results,
Search it up.
and if I get my answers from those,
Mm-hmm.
good, I'd stop. If I need more information, for instance, there's still a
Mm-hmm.
part of the question that's not answered, I'll go to the next um,
Mm-hmm.
three items on the results. If I get all the answers already, I'll stop.
You stop. Okay. Okay.
Unless I
So
get another
after you get the
question.
answers. Okay.
Yeah, because
Okay.
otherwise you'll take forever.
Yes.
It's also the same, I would say, principle I tell people when they're trying to learn a new online tool.
Mm-hmm.
Um, for instance, they don't know yet how to use Zoom, and there are other tools out there like Google Meet or Microsoft Teams. If
Yes.
they're not familiar with any, and a lot of other tools, if they're not familiar with any, I would say, okay, you search for using these keywords and look at the first three search results.
Mm-hmm.
Focus on those first three. Spend maybe 5 to 10 minutes looking through features of the tool. If
Mm-hmm.
they answer your needs, not more than
Mm-hmm.
10 minutes. And then after you assess the first three, choose one that best suits your need. Do not spend a lot of time searching for more
Mm-hmm.
tools because it will take you
Mm-hmm.
forever.
Mm-hmm. Hi everyone, this is Louis Banta, CEO and Chief Trainer of LJMB, or Learning Just Made Better. Thanks for watching my video. To get more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share this video to others.